Good afternoon. Welcome to Citadel Watch. We present an exclusive Patek Philippe wristwatch that has unparalleled elegance and inimitable style. It has a case that provides protection against erasure and a gold-toned case with a 750 hallmark, giving it a noble appearance. The sterling silver dial is cast specifically for each individual order, giving the watch a unique and original appearance. The dial of this watch is adorned with 11 beautiful emeralds, each measuring 1.9 millimeters. These gemstones give the dial a special shine and delightful beauty. The hands of the watch are custom made in the workshop, which emphasizes the individuality and quality of each piece. The movement of this watch is fully serviced, ensuring accuracy and reliability in time readings. The alligator strap, also custom made in the workshop, gives the watch an exquisite and luxurious look. The buckle of the strap is made of stainless steel and is decorated with the company's signature, another sign of its high quality and prestige. The case of this watch is 53 millimeters in size, emphasizing its masculinity and strength. To set the time, you have to make a small effort to extend the crown, which is a feature of the movement and adds a touch of zest to the use of the watch. The watch is in excellent condition and its movement is mechanical without automatic winding, allowing you to fully enjoy the winding process and keep track of every moment it measures. This Patek Philippe wristwatch is not only an exquisite accessory, but also a work of art that will highlight your sophistication and uniqueness. No matter where or when you wear this watch, it will be the epitome of style and luxury on your wrist. Have a great shopping experience and a great day.